Hello everyone. Today, I will guide you on how to upgrade Windows 10 to Windows 11 25H2 and how to downgrade if you no longer wish to use the latest 2026 version of Windows 11. As you can see on the screen, my computer doesn't meet the requirements to install Windows 11. I'm going to use an alternative method to install it. Please prepare the latest official Windows 11 25H2 ISO file. Right-click and mount. Go to Sources folder. In the destination bar, type CMD. Enter the command as shown on the screen. It will call the Windows Server Setup to install Windows 11. I will disconnect from the internet to skip the update check. As you can see, I have the option to keep everything for the update. Please check the information again and click Install. As you can see, I have successfully upgraded to Windows 11. I will now check the current edition. As you can see, the edition is Windows 11 Pro and the version is 25H2. Now, you can go to the C drive, where you'll find the Windows.old folder. This allows you to roll back to your previous version of Windows within 10 days of use. I will guide you on how to roll back. Open Settings. In the search bar, type Recovery. Select Go back to Windows 10. Select Go back. So, I have successfully rolled back. Good luck to you all. As you can see, the Windows.old folder in the C drive is now gone. I will now check the current version. As you can see, the current version is Windows 10 22H2. If you enjoyed this video, please hit like, share, and subscribe to the channel to receive more interesting videos about Windows. Have a great day.